Dual-use startups are hot because national security and commercial innovation are starting to collide. I'm Will from Deep River Strategy, and for a long time, defense technology felt like a separate world. Slow procurement, big contracts, long timelines, specialized requirements. Most startups want to stay very far away from that. But the market has changed. The technologies shaping commercial markets are now the same technologies reshaping national security. AI, cybersecurity, drones, space, sensors, robotics, communications, the list goes on. These are not just business tools anymore, they are strategic infrastructure. And that's why investors are paying attention. Dual-use startups are attractive because they can serve more than one market. They can build for commercial customers while also solving problems that matter to defense, intelligence, and public sector buyers. That creates a very different kind of company. It also changes the funding story. A dual-use company may be able to combine venture capital, customer revenue, government contracts, and non-dilutive funding like SBIRs or grants. That mix is powerful, especially in a market where investors are pushing for more disciplined growth and clearer paths to real value. And that is why dual use is hot. It gives investors growth potential with real strategic weight behind it.